Welcome. We are on day 115 of the chronological Bible in a year. Take a breath and take a moment to celebrate that you have set this time aside to hear God's word. We will be looking through 2 Samuel 8, 9, and 10 and some of 1 Chronicles, beginning in 2 Samuel chapter 8, beginning at verse 15. So David reigned over all Israel, and David administered justice and righteousness for all his people. Joab, the son of Zeruiah, was commander over the army, and Jehoshaphat, the son of Ahilud, was secretary. Zadok, the son of Ahitub, and Ahimelech, the son of Abiathar, were priests, and Sariah was scribe. Benaiah, the son of Jehoiada, was over the Cherethites and the Pelethites, and David's sons were chief ministers. 1 Chronicles 18, starting at verse 14. So David reigned over all Israel, and he administered justice and righteousness for all his people. Joab, the son of Zeruiah, was over the army, and Jehoshaphat, the son of Ahilud, was secretary. And Zadok, the son of Ahitub, and Abimelech, the son of Abiathar, were priests. Shavshah was secretary, and Benaiah, the son of Jehoiada, was over the Cherethites and the Pelethites. And the sons of David were chiefs at the king's side. 1 Chronicles 6, beginning at verse 16. The sons of Levi were Gershom, Kohath, and Merari. These are the names of the sons of Gershom: Libni and Shimei. The sons of Kohath were Amram, Izhar, Hebron, and Uzziel. The sons of Merari were Mali and Mushi. And these are the families of the Levites according to their fathers' households. Of Gershom, Libni his son, Jahath his son, Zimmah his son, Joah his son, Iddo his son, Zerah his son, and Jeatherai his son. The sons of Kohath were Aminadab, his son Korah, his son Asher, his son Elkanah, his son Abiasaph, his son Aser, his son Tahath, his son Uriel, his son Uzziah, his son, and Shaul, his son. The sons of Elkanah were Amasai and Ahimoth. As for Elkanah, the sons of Elkanah were Zophai, his son, Nahath, his son, Eliab, his son, Jeroham, his son, and Elkanah, his son. The sons of Samuel were Joel, the firstborn, Abijah, the second. The sons of Merari were Mali, Libni, his son, Shimei, his son, Uzzah, his son, Shimei, his son, Haggiah, his son, and Isaiah, his son. 1 Chronicles 6, beginning at verse 50. These are the sons of Aaron: Eleazar, his son, Phinehas, his son, Abishua, his son, Buki, his son, Uzzi, his son, Jerahiah, his son, Meraioth, his son, Amariah, his son, Ahitub, his son, Zadok, his son, and Ahimaaz, his son. 1 Chronicles 6, beginning at verse 31. Now these are the ones whom David appointed over the service of song in the house of the Lord, after the ark rested there. They were ministering in song in front of the tabernacle of the tent of meeting until Solomon's building of the house of the Lord in Jerusalem, and they served in their office according to their order. These are the ones who served with their sons. From the sons of the Kohathites were Heman the singer, the son of Joel, the son of Samuel, the son of Elkanah, the son of Jeroham, the son of Eliel, the son of Toah, the son of Zuph, the son of Elkanah, the son of Mahath, the son of Amasai, the son of Elkanah, the son of Joel, the son of Azariah, the son of Zephaniah, the son of Tahath, the son of Aser, the son of Abiasaph, the son of Korah, the son of Ishar, the son of Kohath, the son of Levi, the son of Israel. Heman's brother Asaph stood at his right hand. Asaph, the son of Berechiah, the son of Shimea, the son of Michael, the son of Basaiah, the son of Malchijah, the son of Ethni, the son of Zerah, the son of Adaiah, the son of Ethan, the son of Zimmah, the son of Shimei, the son of Jahath, the son of Gershom, the son of Levi. On the left hand were the kinsmen, the sons of Merari, Ethan, the son of Kishi, the son of Abdi, the son of Malach, the son of Hashabiah, the son of Amaziah, the son of Hilkiah, the son of Amzi, the son of Bani, the son of Shemer, the son of Mali, the son of Mushi, the son of Merari, the son of Levi. Their kinsmen, the Levites, were appointed for all the service of the tabernacle of the house of God. 2 Samuel chapter 9. Then David said, "Is there anyone still left of the house of Saul, so that I could show him kindness for Jonathan's sake?" Now there was a servant of the house of Saul whose name was Ziba, and they summoned him to David. And the king said to him, "Are you Ziba?" And he said, "I am your servant." Then the king said, "Is there no one remaining of the house of Saul to whom I could show kindness of God?" And Ziba said to the king, "There is still a son of Jonathan, one who is disabled in both feet." So the king said to him, "Where is he?" And Ziba said to the king, "Behold, he is in the house of Machir, the son of Ammiel, in Lo-debar." Then King David sent messengers who brought him from the house of Machir, the son of Ammiel, from Lo-debar. And Mephibosheth, the son of Jonathan, the son of Saul, came to David and fell on his face and prostrated himself. And David said, "Mephibosheth." And he said, "Here is your servant." Then David said to him, "Do not be afraid, for I will assuredly show kindness to you for the sake of your father Jonathan. And I will restore to you all the land of your grandfather Saul, and you yourself shall eat at my table regularly." And he prostrated himself and said, "What is your servant that you should be concerned about a dead dog like me?" Then the king summoned Saul's servant Ziba and said to him, "Everything that belonged to Saul and to all his house I have given to your master's grandson. You and your sons and your servants shall cultivate the land for him, and you shall bring in the produce so that your master's grandson will have food to eat. Nevertheless, Mephibosheth, your master's grandson, shall eat at my table regularly." Now Ziba had 15 sons and 20 servants. Then Ziba said to the king, "In accordance with everything that my lord the king commands of his servant, so your servant will do." So Mephibosheth ate at David's table as one of the king's sons. Mephibosheth had a young son whose name was Micah. And all who lived in the house of Ziba were servants to Mephibosheth. So Mephibosheth lived in Jerusalem because he ate at the king's table regularly, and he was disabled in his 2 feet. 2 Samuel chapter 10. Now it happened afterward that the king of the Ammonites died, and his son Hanun became king in his place. Then David said, "I will show kindness to Hanun, the son of Nahash, just as his father showed kindness to me." So David sent some of his servants to console him about his father. But when David's servants came to the land of the Ammonites, the commanders of the Ammonites said to their lord Hanun, "Do you think David is simply honoring your father, since he has sent you servants to console you? Has David not sent his servants to you in order to explore the city, to spy it out and overthrow it?" So Hanun took David's servants and shaved off half of their beards, and cut off their robes in the middle as far as their buttocks, and sent them away. When messengers informed David, he sent servants to meet them, because the men were extremely humiliated. And the king said, "Stay in Jericho until your beards grow back, and then you shall return." Now when the sons of Ammon saw that they had become repulsive to David, the sons of Ammon sent messengers and hired the Arameans of Beth Rehob and the Arameans of Zobah, 20,000 foot soldiers, and the king of Makkah with 1,000 men, and the men of Tob with 12,000 men. When David heard about this, he sent Joab and all the army, the warriors. And the sons of Ammon came out and lined up for battle at the entrance of the city, while the Arameans of Zobah and Rehob and the men of Tob and Makkah were stationed by themselves in the field. Now when Joab saw that the battle was set against him at the front and at the rear, he selected warriors from all the choice men in Israel and lined them up against the Arameans. But the remainder of the people he placed under the command of his brother Abishai, and he lined them up against the sons of Ammon. And he said, "If the Arameans are too strong for me, then you shall help me. But if the sons of Ammon are too strong for you, then I will come to help you. Be strong, and let's show ourselves courageous for the sake of our people and the cities of our God. And may the Lord do what is right in his sight." So Joab and the people who were with him advanced to the battle against the Arameans, and they fled from him. When the sons of Ammon saw that the Arameans had fled, they also fled from Abishai and entered the city. Then Joab returned from fighting against the sons of Ammon and came to Jerusalem. When the Arameans saw that they had been defeated by Israel, they assembled together. And Hadadezer sent word and brought out the Arameans who were beyond the Euphrates River, and they came to Helam. And Shobach, the commander of the army of Hadadezer, led them. Now, when it was reported to David, he gathered all Israel together and crossed the Jordan and came to Helam. And the Arameans lined up against David and fought him. But the Arameans fled from Israel, and David killed 700 charioteers of the Arameans and 40,000 horsemen, and struck Shobach, the commander of their army, and he died there. When all the king's servants of Hadadezer saw that they had been defeated by Israel, they made peace with Israel and served them. So the Arameans were afraid to help the sons of Ammon any more. 1 Chronicles chapter 19. Now it came about after this that Nahash, the king of the sons of Ammon, died, and his son became king in his place. Then David said, "I will show kindness to Hanun the son of Nahash, because his father showed kindness to me." So David sent messengers to console him concerning his father. And David's servants came into the land of the sons of Ammon and Hanun to console him. But the commanders among the sons of Ammon said to Hanun, "Do you think David is honoring your father in that he sent comforters to you? Have his servants not come to you to search, to demolish, and spy out the land?" So Hanun took David's servants and shaved them and cut off their robes in the middle as far as their buttocks and sent them away. Then certain people went and told David about the men, and he sent messengers to meet them, because the people were very humiliated. And the king said, "Stay at Jericho until your beards grow back, then return." When the sons of Ammon saw that they had made themselves repulsive to David, Hanun and the sons of Ammon sent 1,000 talents of silver to hire for themselves chariots and horsemen from Mesopotamia, Aram, Maacah, and Zobah. So they hired for themselves 32,000 chariots, and the king of Maacah and his people, who came and camped opposite Medeba. And the sons of Ammon gathered together from their cities and came to the battle. When David heard about it, he sent Joab and all the army, the mighty men. The sons of Ammon came out and drew up in battle formation at the entrance of the city, and the kings who had come were by themselves in the field. Now when Joab saw that the battle was set against him at the front and at the rear, he selected warriors from all the choice men in Israel and lined them up against the Arameans. But the remainder of the people he placed under the command of Abishai his brother, and they lined up against the sons of Ammon. And he said, "If the Arameans are too strong for me, then you shall help me. But if the sons of Ammon are too strong for you, then I will help you. Be strong, and let's show ourselves courageous for the benefit of our people and the cities of our God. And may the Lord do what is good in his sight." So Joab and the people who were with him advanced to battle against the Arameans, and they fled from him. When the sons of Ammon saw that the Arameans had fled, they also fled from his brother Abishai and entered the city. Then Joab came to Jerusalem. When the Arameans saw that they had been defeated by Israel, they sent messengers and brought out the Arameans who were beyond the Euphrates River, with Shaphat, the commander of the army of Hadadezer, leading them. When it was reported to David, he gathered all Israel together and crossed the Jordan and came upon them and drew up in formation against them. And when David drew up in battle formation against the Arameans, they fought against him. And the Arameans fled from Israel. And David killed of the Arameans 7,000 charioteers and 40,000 foot soldiers. He put Shaphat, the commander of the army, to death. And when the servants of Hadadezer saw that they had been defeated by Israel, they made peace with David and served him. So the Arameans were not willing to help the sons of Ammon anymore. Thank you for listening. I pray that the seed of God's word will be planted in your heart and will continue to grow.